Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir on August the 1st when the price of this asset was at $27.07, and my main assumption was that we have to break this line, this range of support, and land somewhere lower. On top of that, I told you that this retracement shouldn't be the longest one, I mean in terms of its time. And then we might have another leg to the upside that potentially will hit some high targets. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point and right after I made my previous video, we had the movement to the downside that broke the range of support, went lower. It pretty much hit the previous range of support that I drew back in the days at $20.57. Take a look right here. We have exactly the same line in this video, and then we went higher right after the earnings report, and I have to admit that Palantir crushed its earnings report. They beat all expectations. They beat earnings by 12.18% and they beat revenue by 3.81%. But guys, it is not the end, and in my fundamental analysis I will show you what should we expect next. But in general, take a look how powerful technical analysis is. I predicted this movement to the downside. I told you that it shouldn't be the longest one in terms of its length, and we had a bounce to the upside that pretty much broke all the ranges of resistance, and we are hovering again somewhere at $26.17. As you can see on pre-market hours, we are up by 8.63%. And guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, take a look on its price action again. I have to say that if we zoom out to a daily time frame and turn off all the drawing tools, you can see that we have quite good movement to the upside for the last 2 years. And during these 2 years, basically year and a half, from the very beginning of 2023 till present day, till this highest point, Palantir gained almost 400%. And for now, it had a retracement, and we are again right after their earnings report. We are trying to hit high targets. Everything that is related to its technical movements I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, right after their earnings report, Wedbush reiterated the rating on Palantir, and they pretty much set the same price target. And this price target is at $35, which implies about 43.74% of upside potential. I have to admit that consensus analyst price target is not so high. It is slightly below $22, which has a downside potential of almost 9%. And that is why we have to be cautious again with our position. But guys, take a look right here. On Aaron Tracy Twitter account, and if you don't know who this person is, he is a long-term bull on Palantir, and he publishes a lot of updates in regards to this company. And let me show you this screenshot. It is the result of their Q2 report, and it's titled US Commercial Continues to Accelerate in Q2 2024 Alongside AIP Revolution. And guys, take a look on these numbers. 55% increase year-on-year on US commercial revenue, 6% increase quarter-on-quarter on US commercial revenue, 123 US commercial deals closed, 98% increase year-on-year US commercial deals closed. So they almost doubled this number. 83% increase year-on-year US commercial customer count, 13% increase quarter-on-quarter US commercial customer count. 9x, roughly 9x of 3-year US commercial customer count growth. Next one, 103% year-on-year US commercial remaining deal value. 11% increase quarter-on-quarter US commercial remaining deal value. $262 million US commercial total contract value. 152% year-on-year US commercial total contract value. So guys, as you can see, almost all of these numbers show us that Palantir is growing rapidly, and I have to admit that this type of companies, which was created more than 10 years ago, might grow this fast only if they found a new way how they can improve their fundamentals. And definitely for now, Palantir is gaining momentum from the AI revolution, and I have to admit that even for now, all the AI revolutionary tools are not priced in. And that is why we still have an upside potential, but we have to be cautious because of its quite substantial volatility. So guys, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Let's take a look on its recent price action, and let's do some measurements. I have to admit that, again, let's switch to 3 hours time frame. I want to show you the most recent price action in details. So from this bottom, let me show you again on 4 hours time frame. From this bottom that was set at the very beginning of 2023, potentially we completed just a couple of waves. This was the first wave. This is the second. This is not the first wave. This is the second wave. This is another first wave, but on a smaller scale, and we have extremely deep retracement, but this retracement didn't break this bottom. This means we are still technically in uptrend. That is why, guys, we have all chances to hit higher targets with the breakout of the range of, let me show you, of $30. If this asset breaks this range, it will be a major sign for medium-term and long-term holders to add to their position. And definitely this movement to the downside right after the so-called tiny black swan that happened yesterday because of the Japan carry trades, this movement brought about 37% to the value of Palantir. And definitely, guys, we will not see the next leg to the upside within 2 days or the next session. We have to see some kind of consolidation around the ranges, let's say $24 all the way up to $29.9. And then, in my opinion, we will have all the chances to break this range of resistance. But for now, I don't encourage you to enter your long position because the volatility of upcoming days and week might be quite substantial. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium